Welcome to our tutorial on efficient car cleaning. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to clean your car both inside and outside. First, let's start with the exterior. Begin by rinsing the car with water to remove any loose dirt and debris. Next, apply a car wash solution to a sponge or microfiber cloth and gently scrub the car's surface in circular motions. After washing, rinse off the soap thoroughly to avoid leaving any residue. Make sure to clean all the nooks and crannies. Moving on to the interior, start by removing any trash or clutter. Vacuum the seats, floor mats, and carpets to remove dirt and debris. Use a mild cleaning solution and a microfiber cloth to wipe down the dashboard, steering wheel, and other surfaces. Don't forget to clean the windows and mirrors using a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth for a streak-free shine. Regular car cleaning is essential to maintain its appearance and value. Follow these tips and clean your car at least once a month.